Hey Bread Gang, I hope everyone's doing good and keeping safe. Sandbox has been making some serious gains and also giving investors some really good return on investments, and I'm sure it's even made a couple of crypto millionaires. I believe there's a lot more room for it to grow and there's a lot more gains that could be made out of this. Using technical analysis, I'm going to explain exactly why I believe there's a lot more gains to be had from Sandbox, and also I'm going to give price predictions, so make sure you guys watch to the end. If you're new, welcome to Investor Prime TV. Make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell if this is the kind of content you enjoy seeing. With that being said, let's get this bread. So like I mentioned, Sandbox has been making some really good gains, giving investors good return on investments. In fact, the price has gone from $1 all the way up to $8. So you can see why this is a very popular crypto. A lot of people are jumping on this and a lot of people are talking about it, hyping it up. But lately the price has fallen towards that 10 moving average. So the reason I've got a 10 moving average is basically it shows where the momentum is, whether it's to the bullish side or to the bearish side, and it acts as a dynamic support and resistance. If the price gets above it, every time the price gets back to the moving average, then you can expect some demand and basically expect the price to start rising. Then you can see that happening. It got above it about 96 cents, and every time the price came back down to touch it, it's effectively kept going up since then. So seeing as the price is actually getting below that 10 moving average, so there's a dynamic shift from bullish to possibly bearish. So right now the price is below the 10 moving average. So if today's session closes bearish, and for the next couple of sessions, if it stays below that 10 moving average, then I can see the momentum shifting from the bullish side to the bearish side, and I can start expecting some bearish candles, basically the price falling to a certain level. And if we want to know where that level could possibly be, we'll have a look at the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement, another personal favorite, is that basically if the price gets between the 38 and the 61% fib lines, then for me anyway, I see these as like very good buy zones, and I expect a lot of demand around these areas. So if the price gets towards that, then pretty much bouncing back up to head up to test that 10 moving average. So hypothetically speaking, if the price gets towards basically the 61, then this is going to be a lot of demand that could possibly push this price even further up. I mean, push the price back up to test the 10 moving average definitely, and possibly even break the 10 moving average. And then if it does this, then I can see the price effectively getting back up to test the resistance around $7.58, or possibly get to the all-time peak at $8.45. Right now it's just a waiting game to see where the price goes. I mean, the price could actually, there could be a lot of bullish rejection within today's session that pushes the price back above that 10 moving average. If this is the case, then the 10 moving average is re-established as a very good dynamic support, and this could really see the price head back up to test that $7.50 resistance a lot sooner than we think, and possibly even set new all-time highs. So in terms of price prediction, I can see the price heading down towards $5.46, between $5.46 and $3.68. Basically the sweet spot on that is $4.58. So the price could either get to $4.58 and be range bound for a couple of sessions before heading back up, or it could effectively just shoot down, test that, and then there could be a lot of bullish rejection sending the price back up. But either way, I believe the price is going to get to one of these levels and then get back up to the 10 moving average to test it as a dynamic resistance. So guys, if you're invested in Sandbox, it could be a long-term hold. The price just needs to get to one of those support levels. But for the next coming weeks leading into the first quarter of 2022, I can see the price making a new all-time high, possibly getting towards $10 or beyond. But first of all, price just needs to get back above that 10 moving average. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on Sandbox. Are you invested in it? Are you thinking about investing in it? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know this is the kind of content you guys like to see, and I'll continue bringing out updates on Sandbox. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.